All right, gearheads and DIY enthusiasts, have you ever stared down a rusty fuel tank, feeling a mix of dread and determination? I know I have. It's a daunting task, no doubt. But remember the words of the great Henry Ford. Whether you think you can or you think you can't, you're right. Those words ring true, especially when facing a challenge like restoring a rusty fuel tank. Because let's be honest, it's not just about fixing a tank. It's about proving to yourself that you can. It's about taking something broken and breathing new life into it. Think about the incredible journey that lies ahead. So why tackle a rusty fuel tank? Well, maybe it's the vintage car you're resurrecting. Or perhaps it's your trusty old motorcycle. Whatever the reason, that rust is a symbol of time and neglect. But it's also a symbol of potential, waiting to be unlocked. It's a challenge, yes, but also an opportunity to learn, to grow, and to prove your capabilities. Let's get started. First, safety first. Work in a well-ventilated area, wear eye protection and gloves. Ensure you're using the appropriate safety equipment. Drain that fuel tank completely. This step is critical, as any remaining fuel can create hazardous situations. Next, assess the damage. How bad is the rust? Is there any structural damage? If the rust is superficial, great. If not, don't worry, we can handle it. Remember, every challenge has a solution, and every rusty tank can be brought back to its former glory. Keep that positive attitude. Now for the fun part, the restoration. There are several methods you can use. You can use electrolysis, a fascinating process that removes rust using electricity. This method offers a deep clean. Or you can opt for a chemical rust remover, which is a bit more straightforward, often readily available at your local auto parts store. Regardless of the method, remember to thoroughly clean the tank inside and out. Use the appropriate tools for the job. Then comes the sealing. This is crucial. A good sealant prevents future rust and ensures your fuel system remains clean and efficient. Think of this like giving your tank a fresh, new protective layer. There are many fuel tank sealers on the market, so choose one that's right for your needs. Research and select a sealer that fits your specific tank material and intended use. Apply the sealant carefully, following the manufacturer's instructions. This part is vital to prevent future problems. Let it cure, and then you're done. You've successfully brought a rusty fuel tank back from the brink. Now, let's reflect on this project. Think about what we've achieved. We've taken something seemingly beyond repair and brought it back to life. Think about Thomas Edison's famous words, "I have not failed. I've just found 10,000 ways that won't work." Every step of the restoration process, every challenge overcome, is a testament to our perseverance. Just as every failure teaches us a lesson, every successful restoration is a victory. It's a victory over rust, over doubt, and over the easy option of giving up. It's a victory of grit and determination. So the next time you face a challenge, remember the rusty fuel tank. Remember the feeling of accomplishment. Remember that with a little effort and determination, you can conquer anything. You've got this. Now go out there and make something amazing.